Hello everyone, so I just filmed a Dollar Tree haul and posted that to the channel, so now I'm doing a Dollarama haul. This has been waiting for about 2 weeks to share with you guys. I apologize. So some of the things, there are a couple of things that sold out within hours of it being put on the floor, so I do apologize if I'm sharing something that you might not be able to find, but maybe you will. So here are a couple little fall things, the styrofoam pumpkins. There's 6 in a pack. And I just purchased them because I thought if I wanted to paint them, they are a little bit bigger than the clippy ones from the Dollar Tree. Beanbag toss, I just purchased this for the yard. So the beanbag toss comes with the beanbags and the little, like, I don't know, wherever you put the beanbag through. And it says buy 2 and create teams. But I just purchased the one because I thought it's just fun to toss the bag. And then I also found these giant horseshoes, and these were all of this stuff was put out way after summertime. So I found these actually when the kids went back to school, so probably September, around the September 11th or 12th mark, which is absolutely crazy to me that this stuff had been put out then. I also found you toss the little balls over and they kind of sit on top of the bars. And I have that already. We actually played with it and everything. So I'll put a little clip of a picture, if anything, of that. I was really happy to find these, and I'd just gone to HomeSense actually and noticed how expensive this stuff is. So these are the vegetable reusable bags, which is nice to take to produce reusable, bags, and they wash well. But I also just thought even for laundry or anything like that, these would probably be fantastic. Or when you're like traveling and you need to put things in certain bags, these would be really nice for your luggage as well. Glue tape, these have gone up in price from a couple years or a year ago that I used to buy them for $1.25. They are now at $1.50, and terrible news that I've noticed is a lot of the Dollaramas no longer even have this tape runner. I think it's transitioned over to a blue tape runner. So I'm in a little bit of, I don't know if I should keep buying them every time I visit Dollarama or if I should stop, because I think now I'm up to 3 or 4 of these. But this is one of my favorite double-sided adhesive rollers. I know it's nuts, like I've got Tombow and all different ones, and I somehow gravitate back to this. There's something about it, the way it rolls, the way my hands fit with it, the way it glides, I'm not sure, but yeah, I love it. Oh, I got some Tic Tac gums. I'm gonna be honest with you, I just lit this candle, these little guys from Dollarama. I have never tried lighting them. I buy them because they're really cute, and usually I just have them on display in my craft room. And I thought, oh, you know what, I'm gonna bring it over and light this one, because usually I have like bigger Bath and Body Works candles. I am dying. Like, I think that this candle is giving me some sort of allergic reaction, because I keep wanting to scratch my nose off, and I noticed when I was filming my Dollar Tree haul, I kept wanting to pluck my nose off. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna blow it out. It's not making my eyes watery or anything, but my nose, like, I just want to scratch it off. Okay, I purchased this. This was $2.50. Oh, did I tell you guys how much the produce bags were? They were $1.25, by the way. So this here, I purchased it's ultra powerful nail polish remover, and it was $2.50, which I think is a really good price, because if I go to Walmart and buy it, it's going to be more expensive. It is only 200 ml, but the thing that I liked about it, it says it's for hard to remove glitter, gel, and dark colored polish. I'm going to tell you guys, this nail polish worked fantastic. I do not like nail polish removers that I have to fight with, because I'm a nail addict. Like, I'm constantly changing my nails. I want something to go on and glides off. So I purchased this. It works really well. A couple baby items that I was so happy to find. These are the Rosy Pope, I think, brand. They actually teamed up. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Aiden and Anis. They are a very expensive line of baby items, but these two teamed up. So I'm not sure what's happened, if she's, or whoever, whatever this brand is, if they discontinued carrying it on their own and they've come together. But I was really happy. This stuff is like a $30 plus value for baby blankets. I couldn't have gotten a better, like, honestly, a better deal. So these ones here have like a little bit of a floral. This one here has the flamingos and more of a green palm tree effect. And then, oh my goodness, I got green sprouts, organics, and these are the muslin, right? Muslin baby blankets. So, well, they're swaddling blankets. These things as well, $30. So I got super, super lucky. I'm actually starting to feel already a little bit better since I blew out the candle. Has anyone ever had any reaction like that? I've never had that. Look at this. Isn't this the cutest? I'm actually sending this to a friend's daughter. Disney Beauty and the Beast Belle ball gown. She loves dressing up. It is a size 7 each. She's a little bit smaller than that, but maybe she can get some wear out of it for the next couple years at least. I'm going to move some stuff over here. My hauls at Dollarama have been quite expensive, and I'm not coming home with a ton of stuff, but the value is there in exchange for what I've spent, if that makes sense. Sometimes we think, oh shoot, I just spent a ton of money at Dollarama, but like those blankets alone would have cost me $30, and I came home, you know, with way more value for that. Same with these socks here. So I actually had purchased this a few weeks back, a pack of these, and my son likes them, so I bought some more. They're the men's crew socks, and they're a brand name as well. So I would easily pay $10 plus at Walmart. And then I heard, thank you for telling me somebody, I apologize, I never really remember who it is sometimes, but BCG is the only problem with this one is it's not 100% cotton. And I think these are 100% cotton. Anyways, this one doesn't tell me, but these are not all cotton. They're more of a polyester spandex. He might not love these. I find he's more of a cotton guy, my son, but BCG, and these are from a sporting goods store of some sort in the US. Never heard of. I'm not sure where they carry it. And they're a crew sock as well, and that's what he likes best. So that's still a great value for me. And those were $4 a bag, just in case. The BCG has 8 pairs of socks, and then the Gildan has only 6 pairs. Halloween stickers. I caved. I passed on them, and then finally I'm like, no, I need to have them. They're so cute. There were 2 sets of this style, like where it's dimensional and almost like a faux metal, but these ones spoke to me the best, and I just think because the variety of colors were a little bit more neutral. The other ones I think were all orange and black. So anyways, just love them. Aren't they beautiful? Like, look at the detail in the Happy Halloween. Also purchased, oh, that's a job. These were $1.50. Got this here. It's a wooden play set, and this was $4. These are selling for over $20, kind of like a Melissa and Doug feel, and it's a puzzle. And I'm just gonna keep this aside for the little one as she gets older, the little new baby to the family. So there's that, and it has a cute little zoo animals, I guess, or wild animals, wooden animal puzzle. I was so happy when I found this for my daughter. She's got super curly hair that gets really naughty. This is considered a pro detangler, ultra soft. It's made by the Wet Company, Brush Pro. I was so excited, and I hope it works for her. But look at that, and it's her favorite color, the teal color. So it's a perfect brush for her. A couple little craft goodies, and then I think that's about it. Okay, so I bought Bear another little leash. I like having these leashes around the house, one for the backyard when I have to chain him up so he's not chasing all the crazy animals like the chipmunks in the backyard. So I have an extra long that's 15 feet long, so it gives him some roaming room while I'm kind of just outside with him. And then there's the shrinky sheets. These are $1.50. So I was really happy to see these back because my daughter and I actually used the one sheet she had. It only comes with one sheet. No, it did come with 2. Sorry, it does come with 2. And when she used it, it worked really well. She was super excited to be able to have created these little, she made little roses and all sorts of little things with the Sharpie markers. And then we put it in the oven, and it worked really well. I bought this because I wasn't sure how she was going to hold up through the day with her mask and her eyeglasses. So I thought if she needs to have a visor of some sort, a face shield, then, or if that's something that would change over time. These were selling out all the time. Nobody had them. They're $4 a piece, and I just grabbed one in case she would need them. But I'm feeling like she might need them. Not need it, and I might just donate it to someone who does. So we'll see how it works. Everything's in here. It looks like there's elastic bands, you know. So Couple little things here. There's some glitter. This was $1.25. It's chunky glitter, which I actually prefer when working with certain things. I purchased the metallic leaf flakes in silver, and these are $1.25. They also have gold, which I actually have a gold already. But once you open these things, you can't kind of close them. I put them in a little container, otherwise they just make a mess. I don't like their containers. I got some rhinestone stickers for $1.25. And some mermaid stickers for $1.25. And these are $1, and they are not, these ones are like a dimensional, and these ones are just flat, more like a foil flat sticker. And I purchased some glitter paint in kind of like a really tacky gold, but I was hoping to mix it and make a concoction with it, so we'll see how that turns out. And that's my haul for today, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I have a few more hauls that I'm going to be sharing with you in the coming days, and some shop with me's. I hope you guys look forward to those and that they help you. I find the shop with me's are a little more helpful because at least you get to see a variety of things in store, not just the things that I buy. So I really hope you enjoy those tours, and until next time everyone, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.
Comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sight, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.